Hello? Is this working? I've got to change out the back wiper motor, so I thought I'd just stream it. Of the good old Subi here. So I've got to remove this whole back panel, all of this up here, to get access to it. So that's what I'm going to do. Just if you guys want to chill, watch. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I got all these little tools here. So hopefully that's all I need. Okay, handle off. These little push pins are all over this thing. Oh wow, those came out really, really easy. Gotta remove this one. Another thing over here. This one. And then I think just pull this off. Pull it right off and then get access to the motor that's up in here. Okay, so those are all off. Now I guess just a pry tool. I'll just use this little thing. See what we can do here. Okay, almost. Sounds like it's breaking every time you do this. You can see these pins though. Bingo, bingo. All right, there's the motor. Right there. This is what we need to replace. It looks the same. Getting these tools though is definitely worth it. Getting these little pry tools, $12 on Amazon. Okay, from the outside, let's move you guys on this car here. There we go. So I need to keep this little bolt or nut. I'll put that in my pocket. I need to keep this. I'll put that in my pocket. I need to take off this nut. I should probably get some WD-40 for this. Jigaloo. Everyone says it's better. But I've talked to. That's not big enough. Uh-oh, that's not big enough either. Uh-oh. Think we can get it off with some pliers, maybe? We'll see. Nope. .23mm socket. I have up to 19mm. 23mm socket. Where did I put my caliper now? It was what, 23 mil? Is that what I said? I guess I can disconnect the battery while I'm just waiting here. One of these annoying connectors. Okay. Okay, I see what you're doing here, on me. Let's see what you're doing here. There we go. Whew. Got it. That was annoying. Okay, so I got 23, and then 15/16 here. Holy crap. I hate when bolts are stuck like that. I got it. It turned. Oh my gosh, I did it. I got it. Guys, can we get some W's in the chat? Can we get some W's? Holy crap, this thing is rusty. That pesky little thing. Oh my gosh, look what I dropped the phone and almost banned you, Lord. Look. Now we've got a good old Phillips. And it looks like we got like a 10 mil or something there, right? Always a 10 mil. Oh, actually, I don't even have. Oh, yeah, I do. 10 mil. Yeah, there you go. Easy, guys. Just easy. Look at that. Okay. Oh, shit. I didn't take all the rubber off. Gaskets off this. Yeah. Well, so far I've got $2,100 total into this, which isn't really that bad. Let's plug this baby in. Okay, that's all good there. Let's go back outside and get that bolt on it. Spacer, the ring. Are we ready to see if this... Where's the other part that I need? I got one more part here. Oh, that wasn't a good sound. Was there a spacer in behind that? Oh yeah, there's that piece of... There's this. I was gonna say, what the hell? Okay, let's see. We think we got it working? Let's give her a try. W's in the chat if it's working, okay? Okay, now the interior part. Oh shit, right where the friggin' motor was, it's actually burnt. Look. Oh my god, this was way easier than I thought it would be. Wow. Well, that was easy. Window tint? I was thinking about it. That shit's done. We're friggin' done. Flawless.